Welcome to the truth about building wealth in your 20s. Today, we're exposing the #1 enemy of your financial future. Let's introduce you to two people with the same potential, but very different outcomes. Meet David and Tunde. They are both 25, standing side by side. One focuses on flashing designer clothes and gadgets. The other is dressed modestly. They both earn the exact same salary. But 10 years from now, one will have financial freedom, while the other will still be living paycheck to paycheck. So, what is the single biggest factor that determines who becomes financially free and who stays stuck in the cycle? We call this the trap. And Tunde falls into it immediately after his first promotion. Tunde gets a promotion. Instantly, he celebrates by upgrading everything. A new phone, a bigger apartment, expensive nights out, and a car upgrade. Every time Tunde earns more, he immediately spends more. New salary equals a brand new lifestyle and a fresh set of high expenses. This feels like success, but watch how his expenses rise exactly like a staircase, perfectly matching his income. This pattern of increasing spending proportionally with an increase in income is the biggest wealth killer in your 20s. It's called lifestyle inflation. Now let's examine the silent, invisible damage that lifestyle inflation inflicts on your financial life. Money flows into Tunde's account, but it immediately leaks out through multiple holes: rent, car payments, fashion, dining out, and subscriptions. The problem isn't that you're earning too little. The problem is that you are constantly increasing your spending every single time your income increases. As a result, many hardworking people receive raises year after year, but financially, they never get richer. Now let's look at the alternative path, David's strategy for building lasting wealth. David receives the exact same promotion as Tunde, but he makes a different choice. David allows himself to enjoy some of his raise, but the key is that he automatically sends the rest into his investments and long-term savings. He allows those small investment seeds to grow and compound over time, giving him real financial leverage. David intentionally lets his income grow faster than his lifestyle, keeping his expenses flat while his earnings climb. This simple formula is the foundation of true wealth creation. Now let's fast forward 10 years and see the result of their differing habits. Tunde looks stressed, juggling a mountain of bills and realizing his high-flying lifestyle is actually a financial burden. David, on the other hand, looks relaxed, reviewing a large, growing investment portfolio that generates income for him passively. They had the exact same starting point and the same salary. The only difference was their response to a raise. Different habits lead to vastly different results. If you are in your 20s, remember this: your biggest financial enemy isn't low income. It is the insidious trap of lifestyle inflation. Every raise, every bonus, every jump in income is a choice. Are you choosing to simply look richer, or are you choosing to actively become richer? The choice is yours.